Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review a revolutionary robotic pool cleaner. I'm talking about this Blue Nexus robotic pool cleaner. This one cleans the walls and cleans the water line. This one is so very powerful and the suction ability is amazing. That's what she said. Blue Nexus is created for convenient pool cleaning and maintenance. This is perfect for all type of pools and for all the pool owners out there. Cleaning a pool doesn't have to be a struggle if you are having this Blue Nexus robotic pool cleaner. So this cleaner was created to make it easier to maintain clean waters so the users can swim all season long. By the way guys, you can swim inside a pool while using this one, which this is a great innovation because with the otters you cannot. So whenever you are gonna have like a pool party or just relaxing at your pool, there is no need to be worried anymore by who is gonna clean your pool. Blue Nexus is a cordless wall climbing smart pool cleaner which works on an advanced high technology of a path planning to clean the entire pool from edge to edge. It also cleans the walls, the floor, the water line, and everything in between. It even can be used in a salt water or fiberglass pools. Blue Nexus is different because it is scanning and planning the route in your pool accordingly, regardless the shape of your pool, by the way. Blue Nexus also works in different types of sensors: underwater ultrasonic, infrared laser integrated ranging sensors, and an underwater SLAM algorithm. So guys, this robot definitely can do it all. It is the most innovative and coolest revolutionary pool cleaner. Well, let me show you everything in details. Let me show you the unboxing and explain you how it all works like. Let's get started. So guys, this robotic pool cleaner is Geo Guru, like geography guru, so like navigation. Yeah, Geo Guru, isn't it cool? Anyway, it is so very good at mapping the pool as well as the underwater navigation system is excellent. The Blue Nexus is creating a 3D pool map planning and navigation system. It's equipped with a self-developed underwater ultrasonic and infrared laser integrated ranging sensors. So these sensors are helping to navigate correct and creating the 3D pool map for the robot, which by the way can be fully controlled and seen through the smart application, as I told you before guys. Works on the advanced underwater SLAM high technology system. Blue Nexus can clean while understanding and learning the pool's layout. The system SLAM, it's the high technology new method used for autonomous vehicles. The algorithm of SLAM lets the robot to create a map at the very same time, which means that it's getting updated at the very same time all the time continuously, which means that the pool cleaner will scan your pool and avoid any obstacles. It is coming with 4 different cleaning modes that you can use. Smart cleaning, which this is the smart mode. This is best for rectangle, round, and kidney shapes type of pools. Then it have the floor cleaning mode, the wall cleaning mode, and the all-round cleaning mode as well. You can choose whatever mode gonna work for you the best. The robot allows you to tailor the method to your preferences. The smart cleaning using the GeoGuru technology to independently plan and create the optimal cleaning path and route, and it works in a spiral path until the entire bottom of the pool is cleaned. The suction power of this robot is great. So this pool cleaner have 100 watt of a suction engine motor, which provides a powerful suction ability. It's cleaning at a rate of 17 cubic meter per hour. It's suitable for family pools of all possible sizes, shapes, and materials. It having a rolling brush underneath, which is gonna concentrate all the debris and dirt towards the inlet. Then it's gonna ensure that no missed spots are left behind him. It is boasts a cyclone vacuum technology, and it is tackles any type of debris like solid debris, leaves, particles, hair, and way more. Blue Nexus was proved to be able to clean leaves whose width is up to 20 centimeters, which guys, this is huge. I don't think I've ever seen such a large leaf, like seriously. As well as it can also suck in and clean stones. Any type of a stone whose dimension is up to 3 centimeters. That's a huge type of a stone. This pool cleaner is wireless, so it's so very easy to use this one. It is so comfortable to use wireless products. Like seriously, I hate when products are coming with cords. It's just inconvenient and it's like, it's just uncomfortable to have like cords everywhere. So I love the ability of this robot just to be able to charge, recharging it home, and then you go out, just put it into your pool directly and you are basically done. It is gonna work without any cords. Having no cords obviously also reducing the storage volume, and it gives you more freedom and way less complications. Actually, there is not going to be any complications at all, because you know, where you are using a cable robotic pool cleaner, it is gonna knot himself, damage himself, and so very on. Things are different with this Blue Nexus robotic pool cleaner. This is a cable-free design which works so very well. It comes with a safe lithium battery, and there is not going to be any leakage concerns. The high performance power battery capable of delivering a continuous power output of up to 100 watts for up to 3.5 hours of cleaning. Wow, that can work for a very large pool. It requires less than 4 hours to be fully recharged and can accomplish 4 pool cleanings on a single charge. So guys, I love my things to be extra clean, so I use all of my robotic vacuums on at least twice modes. What I mean is that when I am cleaning my house with a robotic vacuum cleaner, I am just always put it on twice, so it is gonna, you know, just do the same work twice. This is how I am achieving a best and amazing results. Same with this robotic pool cleaner. I love to use it twice around my pool, just to be sure that the water is crystal clear and that my pool walls and floors, as well as the water line, very clean as well. So there is no need for me to go back home and recharge my robotic pool cleaner. It comes with a filter chamber that has an 180 micron high precision filter screen that can capture various small debris. It comes with 4.5 liters of a capacity dustbin, so it can store a large amount of debris, so it can keep on cleaning as much as it needs. I truly love this smart application it comes with. The application is supporting Wi-Fi remote control of the robot, so it lets you view the cleaning process in a very real time. It is gonna filter the data statistics for you. It's gonna keep all the data and create all the graphs for you about cleaning your pool. It's also gonna notify you with any abnormal status alarms, as well as with a cleaning logs, consumables and parts, maintains time reminders, as well as more other functions on the app are available. Guys, be so very sure to check this one out. It worked so very well for me, and I'm sure it's gonna work even better for you. Now guys, I truly loved this robotic pool cleaner. I love that it came with an application that you can fully control your robot through the application. You can push the button to let it go up, you know, the lift button, so it will go up. You have all these different modes that you can choose from. It's easy to maintain. It's so very easy to wash this one, as you can see. Now to the question of how to remove the robot from the swimming pool after cleaning. I know that there's a lot of questions that guys you're gonna ask me in the comments, so here it comes. So after the robot has completed the cleaning task, it will automatically stop by the side of your pool. So you can install the salvage hook that came inside of the package with this robot on a pole, and you can hook it up at the handle to pull the robot out of your pool. Or you can use the lift button on this smart application to lift the robot to the water line, and then you can just simply go and grab it with your hands to lift the robot out of the water. I'm saying that due to my previous experience, where all of my robotic pool cleaners reviews, people always were like, okay, it works great, we love it, but how do you take it out of the pool? Now you know. So guys, I truly hope it was helpful for you. I truly hope you enjoyed watching this review of mine. Please let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and I will leave you all the information about this robotic pool cleaner down below in the description box to this video of mine. All the links, all the coupon codes, all the sales, promotions, and so very on. All the information gonna be down below at the description box, as well as I'm gonna pin it to be the first comment at the comment section. So yeah, be so very sure to check it all out. Guys, that was actually all for today. I truly hope you loved this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.